What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about GrassHopper Business Checking account. GrassHopper Business Checking account offers small businesses a fee-free checking solution with attractive perks like high APY, cashback rewards, and integrated accounting tools. Tailored for startups and small businesses, this account provides a seamless online banking experience without monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. GrassHopper Business Checking account is meticulously crafted to propel small businesses and startups towards success. With no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, once the account is open, businesses can focus on growth without financial constraints. The opportunity to earn up to 2.25% APY on balance ranging from $25,000 to $250,000, coupled with unlimited 1% cashback on online and signature-based debit card purchases for those maintaining a $10,000 average monthly balance, makes this account a powerful tool for financial advancement. Additionally, the integration of Autobooks software for invoicing, payments, and bookkeeping, along with tailored support for startups navigating capital raising and investor relationships, ensures businesses have the necessary resources to thrive. GrassHopper Bank offers small businesses and startups access to a suite of robust digital tools that can be utilized anytime, anywhere. From depositing checks instantly through the mobile app to making and scheduling payments via check or ACH from any device, businesses can manage their finances with ease. The ability to manage accounts, access exclusive perks from industry leaders in GrassHopper's partner marketplace, receive a free Visa debit card, and enjoy unlimited free ACH transfers and incoming domestic wire transfers ensures that businesses have the necessary tools to streamline their financial operations efficiently. The GrassHopper Business Debit Card is a standout feature of the business checking account, offering businesses a range of benefits to enhance their financial transactions. With the opportunity to earn unlimited 1% cashback on online and signature-based debit card purchases by maintaining a $10,000 average monthly balance, businesses can capitalize on their spending. Additionally, the absence of foreign transaction fees and fee-free cash withdrawals at 45,000 MoneyPass and some network ATMs make this card a valuable asset for businesses engaging in both domestic and international transactions. GrassHopper empowers businesses to maximize their earnings through a combination of attractive features designed to optimize financial outcomes. By offering up to 2.25% APY on balances from $25,000 to $250,000, businesses can grow their funds effectively. The unlimited 1% cashback on online and signature-based debit card purchases for those maintaining a $10,000 average monthly balance, coupled with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, and unlimited free ACH transfers and incoming domestic wire transfers, ensures that businesses can enhance their profitability and financial stability. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One significant limitation is the inability to deposit cash into the account. This restriction may pose challenges for businesses that deal with cash transactions or prefer the convenience of depositing cash directly. While the account offers numerous benefits including high APY and cashback rewards, it does require a minimum opening deposit of $100. This initial deposit requirement may be a barrier for some businesses, especially those with limited initial capital. Grasshopper Bank's customer support is available Monday through Friday between 9 a.m. and 11 p.m. ET, but there is no live support available on weekends. This lack of weekend support may be inconvenient for businesses that operate or require assistance outside of regular weekday hours. GrassHopper Business Checking account is a compelling choice for small businesses and startups seeking a fee-free, high-yield checking solution with valuable perks like cashback rewards and integrated accounting tools. By combining a seamless digital banking experience with tailored support for businesses navigating growth and capital raising, GrassHopper empowers entrepreneurs to focus on driving their ventures forward while optimizing their financial well-being. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.